Good morning, friends. Welcome to the first PU history class. I am Sanjay Naik, your history lecturer. When we enter our history class, when we turn our textbook page, in that history, we all know that history word derived from Greek word historia, which means enquiry or investigation. In history, we know that history, it is a Greek word historia, which means enquiry or investigation. When we question ourselves what to inquire, what to investigation, the answer comes, it is an enquiry or investigation of the past to seek the truth. Next is when we learn ಇತಿಹಾಸ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಈಸ್ ಇತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ, ಖ ಅಂದರೆ ಖಚಿತವಾಗಿ, ಆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು, ಹೀಗೆ ಖಚಿತವಾಗಿ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. Which means definite events that have occurred. Definite events that have occurred. So many historians are there. Various scholars, various historians has defined the history in their different ways, in a different manners. So when we say history, we all know that Herodotus. Do you know Herodotus? How many of you understand the meaning of history? How many of you know about the Herodotus? Herodotus is a Greek person who has started the writing of history in a scientific manner. He has written the Persian Wars. After that only the scientific way of writing has started, we know that. So that's why we know the person Herodotus as a father of our history. Herodotus says, I have already told you that various scholars, various historians has defined the history in different ways, in different manners. So Herodotus says, history is a record of great people and unique events to be remembered by future generations. When we say various historians, there are many historians are there. Herodotus, Saint Augustine, Karl Marx, J.B. Bury, Arnold Toynbee, Nehru, and our Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Herodotus, after Augustine says, the one of the greatest historian, he says that to understand the history, when we say human knowledge, the history is the greatest branch of the human knowledge. So Augustine says, history is a story of struggle between God and evil, in which God wins over the evil. Well, Karl Marx says, we know about him. Karl Marx, he has written Das Kapital and Communist Manifesto. He says that history is a story of struggle between haves and have-nots. ಅಂದರೆ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲದವರ ನಡುವಿನ ಯುದ್ಧ. ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಅಂದರೆ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲದವರ ನಡುವಿನ ಯುದ್ಧ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ಸ್. ವೇರ್ ದ J.B. Bury says, history is a science, no less, no more. ಇದೊಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ಇತಿಹಾಸವೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂತ J.B. Bury ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ನಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟೈನಬಿ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿದೀವಿ, ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಮೊದಲ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬರ್ಬರಿಸಮ್ ಟು ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ we must understand, we have to understand our culture, we have to understand our nature, we have to understand our history, we have to understand about our forefathers. When we say our forefather, in this introduction I have to say the Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar says, those who forget history cannot create history. ಯಾರು ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನು ಮರೀತಾರೋ ಅವರು ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ when we say importance of history, we know father of history Herodotus, he has written the Persian Wars. After that we know Dr. B R Ambedkar, he says those who forget history cannot create history. In next is when we say importance of history, in importance of history, importance of history, history teaches us international peace. History teaches us international peace. After that we have to understand history promotes patriotism, deshabhakti, patriotism, and it is a source of inspiration. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ನೀಡತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ, source of inspiration. And we all know that it is a record of past events. It is a record of past events. So dear friends, when we say history, to evaluate our human knowledge, to conclude our history, to conclude our Indian history, to know about our forefathers, to know about our ancestors, history helps us to promote international peace, it promotes the patriotism, it gives source of inspiration, and past, it is the record of past events. So when we say introduction, we must know that I already told you those who forget history cannot create history, said by Dr. B R Ambedkar. In next class we go through all our chapters and we will understand the history. Thank you one and all.